So with all that in mind and everything you just said and all the complexity, regulation, how do you make it achievable? How do for your global customers? How do they do it efficiently? How do they do this cost effectively? And how do you even make it possible for them to meet all this regulation and all these desires that they have?
Well, you said it well, Daniel. E-waste is a real issue, and I think the industry has a moral responsibility to address this and do the right thing, and promote the circularity we were talking about earlier. From our perspective within HPE Financial Services, for our global customers, we have created a sort of a combination of a centralized approach mixed with a local approach. So we have two very large technology refurbishment centers, one in Europe and one in North America. We're actually the largest IT manufacturer with refurbishing centers in the world. We have, I think, 400,000 square foot of facilities. And what we try and do is make sure then that in countries where we don't have those centers, that we have a whole network of partners. We have 80 partners across 50 countries, and we make sure we vet those partners, that they adhere to rigorous standards. And the important is consistency, that there is consistency across the world in terms of how we handle those assets. And if you're a global customer in particular, you strive for that consistency. You can't have accidents, in one corner of the world. It would defeat the whole purpose. So we take back nearly 4 million units of technology a year. 85% of that gets recycled and goes back and finds another home. So that again creates that circularity. And of the 15%, we make sure that's recycled to the very highest standards. So it's definitely a global approach. It's a lot of moving parts, but you need a partner who can do this properly and do it in the right way.